Hey everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm just going to show you quickly how to install the files that you've just downloaded. So if you're reading through the instructions, you would have seen that you need to download FileZilla. So do that, and once you've got it open, you're going to need to type in your FTP details in here in the top bit. So your host, which is generally ftp.yourdomain.com or .com.au or whatever, and then you'll have a username which your hosting provider will give you, and you'll also have a password. They'll give you that as well. And then you click Quick Connect, and then what you'll see is this panel will show you all the files that are on your website server already. Generally there'll be one or two files in there already, which are just some standard setup ones from your hosting provider, but you can just go in and remove all of the files that are there already. If there are any folders in there, you can just leave those. So just make sure there's no files in your site's directory already. Okay, and then so step 2, you're just going to upload the two files from the zip folder that you downloaded. So when you open that, you'll have this one, which is another zip folder, and then you'll have this installer, which is a PHP script. So what you want to do is just drag those into FileZilla, like so, and then they'll start uploading. And once that's done, then we're going to go to your website. So I'm just going to wait for that to upload. Cool. So now that's done, I'm just going to go to your website. So what you're going to see here, so just go to your domain, and what you're going to see now is you're going to have these two folders in there, file and the folder. So just click on installer, or if you want to go there directly, just go to the end of your URL, make sure there's a forward slash there, and then go in PHP. And then what you're going to get is this. So this is a WordPress plugin, and just makes it super easy to set up websites. So what you need to do is just check the terms and conditions, which basically just says that it's going to overwrite stuff, and just make sure that you know what you're doing. So then you click next. It's going to start running the deployment of your website. It shouldn't take too long. So, okay. So now you just need to add in the database details for your hosting. So again, you'll get these from your hosting provider. Sometimes you'll need to set up a database yourself, but yeah, just email your hosting provider's support, and they'll be able to do that. And there's going to be 4 details that you need to get. So it's going to be the host. Generally it's going to be local host, the database name, the username for that database, and then the password for that user. So I'm just going to add those in, and then we're going to test the database. Okay, so now that's done, I'm just going to click test the database, and you should get all greens here, which is all good. And then you just want to click next once that's all working. So it's going to pop up with a little message to say, are you sure you want to do that? because it's going to remove all the database tables that are in there already. So you just say yes for that, and then it's going to do this nice quick install. Okay, so now step 3 of 4. So a couple of things to do here. Change the title of your website. So for instance, if it was me doing it, I would change this to Tech Whisperer, websites and SEO. You'd want to put your company name and then maybe what you do. So make sure you change that title, and this next step is crucial. So otherwise you're not going to be able to log into your website. So just press plus on these options, and what you want to do here is add in a new admin account. So username, keep everything in lowercase, so you might just want to put your name in, and then put in a password that you're going to remember. Also make it pretty complicated so that you don't get hacked. So put those in. Once that's done, then click. I'm just going to remove that because I've already got a login, but make sure that you add in the username and password, and then you want to click next. And what this is doing is just finishing off the install. So now this is pretty much done. You just need to clean up the rest of the files. So now you want to click site login. This is going to take you to the WordPress login screen. So admin is my user details in there, but you're going to put in the username that you created in the last step, and also the password that goes for that. And then you want to click login. And this is going to take you to the final stages of setting up your website. So you just want to click on this remove installation files now. What that's just going to do is just remove all the excess files that you don't need on your server now. So that's it, that's done. So now when you go to your FileZilla, if you just refresh this, what you're going to get is this is all the WordPress files. If you do have any of these excess files for HT access, just delete the ones with the extra file names because you don't need those. You just need just the one HT access there, and this web config, this original one, you can remove that as well because you only need one. And then going back to your site, you'll see that the name was changed, and if you go to visit site, you're just going to get the website ready to go. And so now you can go through the video course and get started building your website. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video course.